Alright, these are going to be the elevators here at the Farnum Street apartment building here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. I believe according to records, these used to be general elevators modernized by Dover, as you can see by that nameplate right there. They got modernized again by, I believe, Schindler and Matt, but correct me if I'm wrong. I'm going to start around the right car, which is the bigger of the two.
Going up.
Go up to 9. You're on 9.
9th floor.
I'll show you something real quick. Now here you get a little bit of a view, which we'll not go out to see. So let's go back down to 1.
Down.
Get a cab here, we're going down. Cab appears to be renovated sometime. Well, not really sure though, but it looks very modern for an older apartment building like this one. Your floor indicator, these are your mad buttons. Car number 2, capacity is 2,500. You're at 1.
First floor.
Right there, that's your Dover nameplate. See your elevator down here? Oh, it is. We'll take a ride on this elevator while it's down here. This one appears to be smaller of the two. So let's go to 9.
Going up.
And you're at 9.
9th floor. Going down.
Oh, hi again. Excuse me. There we are. You're welcome. Have a good night. I will let her go down. I guess while we're up here, we'll get a view. So here's a view from the south side of Lancaster. Not sure what street that is. I believe that's South Duke Street, but correct me if I'm wrong. Anyway, this is what a resident floor looks like. There's a hallway, hand sanitizer dispenser. And down here is another resident floor. Alright, I guess we'll take the elevators back down and end the video. So we get the right car to go down. Alright. Back down to 1, we'll end the video. We're stopping at 7, somebody's going down with us.
7th floor. Going down.
Way there. And you're at 1.
First floor. Going up.
Hello. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, we'll let this lady go up. And not the most exciting colors, but anyways, that will be it.